Hey guys, and welcome back. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Ryan Michelle, and on today's video I will be cleaning and decorating my home for Christmas 2020. This is the first episode of my Christmas series, and on this episode I will be cleaning and decorating my front living room area. I really hope you guys are excited like I am, and I cannot wait to clean and decorate with you guys. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the before of what my living room looks like. I did not have that much to clean. I just needed to sweep and dust the TV console just a little bit. So I will not be cleaning as much. And I have to decorate this shelf, which is my favorite area to decorate in my home. I think my shelf and my tiered tray is one of my faves to decorate in my home. But if you are new today, my name is Ryan Michelle, like I already said, and on my channel I do a ton of cleaning and laundry motivation, organization, mom life, and home decor related videos. So if you like content like that, I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel and joining my YouTube family. Here I am showing you guys what I will be decorating my home with. I did not do a haul this year, which is okay. I just didn't want to do a haul this year. Well, for this season, because I did do a haul for fall. But if you have any questions about any of the decor, you can always drop me some comments down below, and I respond to each and every one of my comments. So just drop me some comments down below if the decor is not linked in my description box. I will have a few of the items that I'm decorating with in my description box, but not everything. I couldn't link everything. So just let me know if you see something that you really like and I don't have it linked in my description box, because I will let you know where I got it from. So I know that I am decorating for Christmas super early, but as a YouTuber, I really try to get everything out for you guys. My goal is to inspire and motivate you guys to shop for your Christmas decor or get your home all ready and set for Christmas 2020. It is super early, and my kids were looking at me like I was crazy because they were asking me, why don't we have turkeys up for Thanksgiving and not Christmas? But my goal is to inspire you guys, and if that means that I have to put it up early, then so be it. So here I'm just spot cleaning my couch. It wasn't that bad. I just needed to clean up a little bit. Lauren likes to eat yogurt sometimes, so she gets her yogurt on my couch. So that's what I'm doing right now, just spot cleaning it. So this Christmas, I decided to get a flocked Christmas tree. This is my first ever flocked Christmas tree, and I felt so crazy after putting this up because I was just not ready for all of the dust and it was just a hot messy mess. Like, it was crazy, and I don't know why I chose to clean before taking this out, because it was just a waste of time, because I cleaned and swept and vacuumed like 3 or 4 times after putting this tree up. So like I said, this was our first time having this tree, and we were trying to figure out where the light needs to go, and we ended up figuring out that the lights at the bottom of the tree did not work. I got this tree from a friend, and I don't know if we were doing something wrong, but my husband said that if one bulb is out, then it will mess up the entire tree. So I had to go in and add a bunch of lights, but that's perfectly fine because I already had a million lights in storage. And I just wanted to share with you guys that my PJs are so comfortable. I got these PJs from Target, and they are actually like thermals, but y'all, these PJs are the most comfortable PJs I've ever had. I will have these linked in my description box too. So now I'm just trying to fluff out the tree as much as I can to prevent any holes and gaps that the tree may have. And I actually had to stop and take a little selfie break to make sure that the tree was selfie material. So before you get started, you might want to put the tree collar on first before you start on the tree, because this tree was a little heavy for me and I almost fell behind the tree, but you know, you guys didn't see that. And the tree collar, I picked that up from Target, and the tree skirt, I want to say I picked that up from Marshall's last year. And I could have just went with the Christmas tree collar, but I kind of wanted to add in the layered look, so that's why I added in the tree skirt too. So you can see on the side of the couch that the tree residue got everywhere, and I tried my best to try to vacuum it off and sweep it off, but it just was not going anywhere. And I just wanted to talk about the pillows. The pillow, I already had these size pillows, so I already had the inserts. I picked up these velvet covers from Amazon, and I will have that linked in my description. The fur was from Target, and I want to say I paid $19.99 for one. So that was like $40 for the fur pillows, and the other smaller ones were from Marshall's, and those came two for $24.99. So now moving on to decorate my TV stand. The tree will be the last thing that I decorate in this video. And if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you are new here. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to style this tree skirt, so I'm just going to keep going back and forth playing with this tree skirt. So I picked up this garland from Joanns. I want to say I paid $15 for it. I know the original price was $20, but I had a coupon and military discount, so I'm really not sure how much I ended up paying for it. But I got 3 garlands, and then that tree that you see on the side was from Target, but I wasn't feeling the location. Then I tried adding in this glass tree that I picked up from Marshall's, but even though it's still here on the video, I did remove it because of my kids. Glass just does not work well with them. And here on my shelf, the smaller shelf, I just added a house that I picked up from the Target dollar spot and a tree. And on the bigger shelf, I added in a bell and a larger tree. And then I put some stems in on the shelves. Now moving on to my entryway table, y'all. I love decorating this area, and here I'm just going to add in this tree that I picked up from our Gabes store. A lot of people don't have Gabes, or they've never heard of it, but it's like a Burlington or a Roses, and I want to say I paid $12.99 for this tree. Now let's talk about this glass candle holder sitting on top of the entryway table. I have been eyeing this candle holder forever, and I finally got my hands on it. I picked it up from Target. It was a bit expensive. I think I paid $20 for it, y'all, but it's just so worth it because I have been eyeing it. Just like I mentioned, I have been eyeing the tree collars forever, and I finally picked up this candle holder, and it's amazing. And the candle that's in it, the scent of it is vanilla gingerbread, and it smells amazing. So to fill the shelves, I'm using a bunch of stuff that I already had from previous years. Like the houses were from Target Dollar Spot. The books, I picked those up from Burlington, and then the candle holder. Now these are the stems that I will be using to fill my tree. For my tree, I just did not want to overwhelm it, or do too much or be extra about it, because the tree speaks for itself. It's beautiful and it just did not need much. And I won't be decorating the back of my tree because what is the point? Nobody is back there, nobody's looking at it but the wall. So I did not decorate the back part of my tree. So on these picks, I'm not really sure where I got them from because they are from last year. So the green stems that are on them, they're just way too green for my tree and for my liking. So I'm not going to take them off. I'm just going to stuff them down like further to the end of the pick, so you won't be able to see them when I put them inside of the tree.
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
And I did not go with these picks because I did not think that that gold would look right with the rest of the theme that I was going with.
Care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
So this pick was from Joanns.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
So for my tree topper, I usually just go in with some picks, and I'll be using some white picks that I picked up from Joann's and the star that I showed earlier. Now these ornaments here are from Target. They were $3.99 a piece, and the fir with the greenery one was from Joann's.
And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're
So I did not want to overfill the tree, so I won't be using that many ornaments and picks, because you really can't even tell that they have, that the tree has a lot of picks in it. It's just so pretty, y'all. I am so in love with this flock tree, and these ornaments right here are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, y'all. You cannot beat that. Dollar Tree.
for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
So now I am all done cleaning and decorating my home for Christmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed cleaning and decorating with me for Christmas 2020. I hope y'all enjoyed this first episode of my Christmas series. Don't forget to like this video, and for the rest of the video I will just be giving you guys a little home tour of this room, and I hope you guys are inspired and motivated to decorate your home for Christmas whenever that time may be. It doesn't have to be tomorrow, next week. Just make sure you do it for yourself and not the internet. Decorate your home whenever you feel like decorating your home. But my goal is to inspire you guys to decorate your home and make it beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And for all of my returning subscribers, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching my videos every week. I really appreciate y'all so much. And if you are here and still watching and you are new, I hope you guys consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. And I will see you guys back on my next video. Bye.
For me and you, I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small